Hi everyone, I'm Chef Lex Grant, and today we're going to talk about portion control. I don't know about you, but I was raised to eat all the food off my plate. And that is a terrible, terrible thing for you to do because our eyes are bigger than our bellies, just to begin. So in portioning out your food, you want to know that you're eating what your body needs and not eating to excess. If you need help, use a smaller plate. Either that or just in your Tupperware, a 6-ounce container will be an absolute perfect portion because it's just enough space for you to have everything that you need. To my carnivores out there, when you are eating your meats, especially red meats, lamb, beef, pork, please make sure that you are keeping your meats down to a 4 to 6 ounce portion. Your body doesn't need any more than that, and although it's delicious and we love it, we want to make sure that we're giving our bodies and our hearts what it needs. On your fishes, you can stay at a 6-ounce portion if you like a little more, but fill the rest of your plate up with veggies. As many veggies as you can handle. It's going to help break that food down. It's going to help digestion-wise. And if you feel like you are still hungry at the end of your meal, give yourself 15 minutes to rest. Just wait a second, because at times we still feel hungry, but it's only because our food has not yet hit our stomach. Start your day with a bottle of lukewarm water, throw some lemon in it. It's gonna get your digestive tract going and it's gonna make you hungry. Once you have that, you wanna eat something that is gonna give you energy. So my suggestion would be some oatmeal, which is absolutely heart healthy. If you like a little sweet, add some chocolate, some dark chocolate, some coconut milk or some almond milk, some brown sugar. It's delicious. Next is lunch. While we're at work, we don't want to hit that 3 o'clock slump. Try to eat a lunch with a 4 to 6 ounce portion of protein, or if you're a vegetarian, this is when you would want to eat grains, arugula, spinach salad. You can add a little bit more, especially if you're a vegetarian, but incorporate some fruits, incorporate some grains, incorporate some vegetables, and have your protein. Now for snacks, let's stay away from the chips if we can, or anything that's fried. May I suggest pop chips or rice cakes or nuts. Now the thing with nuts is they are high in fat. So you want to mix nuts with some fruit or with some dried fruit, just so you have more to break it up in your body. Next, ladies, is dinner time. It is really important to just eat off of a smaller plate if you can. Put whatever it is that you want on your plate. I will not restrict you at dinner, but I will say that eating more vegetables than grains later is very, very important for your digestive tract. Finish your day off with a bottle of water again, or a nice cup of chamomile tea or green tea. Helps to ease the digestive tract. I know I keep talking about your digestive tract, but it is important and it is something that we do neglect.